Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add column border left and right in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I add column border left and right. At first, you have to select a column. To click on your mouse left button and drag on a column. Then go to home menu. Then you can see here are a border drop down menu. Then click this border, click left border, and again go to border drop down menu and click right border. Now you can see I add border left and right on a column. Now you can change this border color. Select this cell and right click on this cell. Then you can see here are a format cell menu. Then click this format cell. Then you can go border. Then you can select a border style. Now I can select this border style and choose a color. I can choose red. Then click this left border and click this right border, then press OK. Now you can see I add a column border left and right in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.